First thing is we see if we've got any fillings or tankers going out to deal with the spirit still house produce. We look at loads that need to be looked out. Casks coming in, casks going out.
Normally look out loads for going away to other distilleries. The guys I work with, you get a good laugh with them.
We're busy, but it's good.
It's just a job in general. I like doing this job.
Every day we have a range of people coming in to visit the distillery, so we have tours, tastings. So my day can be everything from taking tours to help people find the whiskey that's right for them.
Is our classic port cask finish.
The modelling at the bar yesterday was scary because I've never done nothing like that before. And Steve and Emma were really good there as well. So.
Good fun, trying something different.
And those are trousers, okay.
So that when you put them in a circle, they're not too small.
Yeah, that's...
Doesn't bother you?
No.
Okay. Does it bother you?
Look at Steve, look at that.
Move a little bit to the front, Emma, just a little bit.
Like you're almost in love with Steve, right?
I like this one. I like this.
No, I like it, yeah.
My friends, it's a wrap. Thanks very much. Thanks so much. You can drink now. Oh, go for it. Yeah, exactly. You deserve it.